Welcome, in front of me is a Poco F3, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot the device into this mode. And to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till screen turns off. There we go. Once it does, you can let go and it will automatically boot back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.